many of you feel कि नहीं, they are out of control, we cannot control them? There are many solutions is there. Okay, Freni. Freni, I would love to means like have one point from you. कि आप क्या मानते हो? What solution you think is there? Can control? Yes. Freni, are you there? Okay. Anybody else wants to say कि क्या control हो सकता है? I feel children need more guidance. Okay. Freni is writing. Solutions are there. Teachers training for SEL, teachers students bond. Okay. Proper guidance and patience required to handle them. Okay. Self awareness and self control. Very good. Thanks for participating so much. Okay. Engaging them, right? Okay. Life skills are more important than academics. Very good. To address their behavioral issues, positive in coordination, patience. Very good. Channelizing their energy. So many you people you are writing, and I'm really glad that you all are participating in this. Thanks for that. I'll just come to this solution. Okay, that what I am going to talk about, and definitely is going to work for you all. Okay, so allow me to share my screen. Can you all see my screen? Is my screen visible? Yes, Rakhi, you want to say something? Okay, you are giving thumbs up for it. Thank you, thank you. So, just a minute, I'll just put it on the slide share. Okay. Fine. So today program, so ये कोई training नहीं है, but today we are going to I am going to tell you about the 2 programs which I have developed, and it is going to definitely help you to like how you can work on them. I request Rupanshi that if anybody is unmuted, please ask them to mute themselves in between, and if you can mute them, please do mute them. Okay. Okay, so this is today we are going to talk about the 2 students wellness and confidence program. I have already given my briefing. मैंने अपना briefing already दिया आपको. Like I'm a founder. I'm a founder of a Healing Towards Happiness, and ये जो हीलिंग टुवर्ड्स हैप्पीनेस है, ये मैंने इसके थ्रू बहुत सारे वेबिनार्स और सेशंस करे हैं. हमारा ये ग्रुप है जो वो मेंटल हेल्थ के लिए वर्क करता था और अभी भी करता है. आई एम अ हीलर, आई एम अ चक्रा मेडिटेशन प्रैक्टिशनर, सॉफ्ट स्किल ट्रेनर एंड ऑथर. मैंने एक बुक लिखी है, आप लोग उसको उस पर देख सकते हो, फ्लिपकार्ट पे, जो कि हमारा, आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि कुछ बच्चे बोर्ड पे से लिखते हैं तो उनको बहुत टाइम लगता है और कुछ बच्चे बहुत जल्दी कर लेते हैं. तो हम ये सोचते हैं कि उन बच्चों के साथ में प्रॉब्लम है, वो लिख नहीं रहे, वो लेजी हैं, बट देयर इज ऑलवेज अ प्रॉब्लम बिहाइंड. तो आपको उस बुक में समझ में आएगा कि क्या प्रॉब्लम होती है. उनको बोला गया है कि स्लो लर्नर्स नहीं है वो, बट दे आर द स्लो प्रोसेसिंग स्पीड से दे आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम स्लो प्रोसेसिंग स्पीड. सो यू कैन गेट दिस बुक ऑन फ्लिपकार्ट. आप फ्लिपकार्ट पे देख सकते हो, अमेजन पे देख सकते हो, नोशन प्रेस पे देख सकते हो. इट इज अवेलेबल ऑन देयर. Please read this book. I have written basically on my own practical experiences when I was working as an educator. Now slowly and gradually we will move to this कि क्यों हमें कोई बता सकता है कि why NEP is talking about पंचकोशा. क्यों NEP पंचकोशा की बात कर रहा है? क्या है पंचकोशा? किसी को भी कुछ नॉलेज है इसके बारे में? या थोड़ा बहुत भी पता है? You can raise your hand please. Yes, Dr. Chitra, please.
Good morning, ma'am. Yes. Number one, it is the holistic development. And koshas, as you asked, it starts from the external most layer. That is Annamaya, Pranamaya, Manomaya, Vijnanamaya, and Anandamaya. That is the intelligence level has raised up to 9th level spiritual intelligence. So to take them from, food, basic, the necessities, up to the bliss, that is the eternity. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you, Chitra ji. Very correctly said. Anybody else? Okay. So, why we need this? Why NEP is talking about this? Just want to know, like, why this program is needed. Why I am here to tell you about that. I have developed two programs, Sahaj and Dhara. Reason behind it. So, we all agree with this. I think you all will agree with this कि हमारे जो students हैं उनका एक स्ट्रेस लेवल बढ़ रहा है। अभी हम पहले बोलते हैं यार अभी तो बच्चे हो, अभी इतना क्या स्ट्रेस हो गया, ऐसा क्या स्ट्रेस, हमने क्या पढ़ाई नहीं करी है क्या, हमने क्या ऐसा नहीं करा है क्या, हमने भी पढ़ाई करी थी। कितने लोग बोलते हैं, राइट, वी ऑल से कि राइजिंग स्टूडेंट स्ट्रेस से हम सब लोग अवेयर हैं कि ये स्ट्रेस बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ता जा रहा है। स्टूडेंट्स को एंजाइटी हो जाती है, एग्जाम प्रेशर हो जाता है, इमोशनल स्ट्रगल्स हो जाते हैं एंड एकेडमिक परफॉर्मेंस और उनकी वेलबींग जो है उनका डिस्टर्ब हो जाती है। फोकस एंड अटेंशन, जो अभी सारे के सारे, जो अभी कितने सारे लोगों ने पार्टिसिपेट करके मुझे बताया कि यस उनका एक बिहेवियर इश्यूज है एंड दिस इज बिकॉज फोकस नहीं है, क्लासरूम डिसिप्लिन नहीं है, इश्यूज है उनको, वो एक जगह पे बैठ नहीं पा रहे हैं, कॉन्सेंट्रेट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। देन कमिंग दी कम्युनिकेशन बैरियर। एक एग्जाम्पल है मेरा कि मेरा एक मतलब लाइक आई मेट वन स्टूडेंट जो कि आईबी का स्टूडेंट था एंड ब्रिलियंट स्टूडेंट, सारी चीजों में फर्स्ट, स्पोर्ट्स में देखो तो फर्स्ट, सब में फर्स्ट। तो उसको अवार्ड्स के लिए मींस लाइक उसने बहुत सारे सर्टिफिकेट्स जीते थे, तो ही वाज आस्क्ड टू कम ऑन स्टेज एंड से फ्यू लाइंस एंड मोटिवेट द किड्स, स्पीक समथिंग। एंड यू विल नॉट बिलीव, ये ब्रिलियंट जो बच्चा था, जैसे ही उसको पता चलता है कि इसको स्टेज पे कुछ बोलना है, उसने अपने आप को बाथरूम में बंद कर लिया, राइट। उन्होंने अपने आप को बाथरूम में बंद कर लिया और जब सब जगह उनकी ढूंढाई हुई कि वो कहाँ गया बच्चा, बिकॉज असेंबली टाइम था एंड हिज टाइम वाज देयर टू स्पीक ऑन इट एंड ही वाज नोवेयर, so everybody started searching for him. Then one teacher realized that he has locked himself in the washroom. Can you imagine the fear? Brilliant बच्चा, हर चीज में अच्छा। I request Tintu ji, can you please mute yourself? I cannot mute you from here. Thank you. तो ये ब्रिलियंट बच्चा, सब चीज में अच्छा, लेकिन उसके बाद भी he is not able to communicate on the stage. So this communication barrier, public speaking, is a deadly fear. You know, after the death, public speaking is considered as a fear, phobia, hesitation in expression, low confidence, sharing ideas and peers and teachers. Emotional vitality, that is the teacher's parent witness इमोशनल आउटबर्स्ट, कहीं है ही नहीं, इमोशंस ही नहीं है, या फिर बहुत ज्यादा इमोशनल है, जरा से उसमें सुसाइड हो जा रहे हैं, जरा से उसमें घर को छोड़ के चले जा रहे हैं, जरा से उसमें मार दे रहे हैं किसी को। कितने ज्यादा अभी हमारे यंगस्टर्स का वियर्ड बिहेवियर होने लग गया है, राइट। एंड स्कूल नीड, as you all mentioned very correctly, that yes, there is a solution. So school needs structured evidence-based wellness program and that addresses challenges and comprehensions. Comprehensively means like डिटेल में अगर हम उसको प्रोग्राम को समझे तो हमारे टीचर्स जो है, हमारे जो स्कूल लीडर्स हैं, जो वो उसका डिसीजन ले सकते हैं कि अगर हमारे स्कूल में ये इम्प्लीमेंट होता है तो डेफिनेटली हमारे स्कूल्स के बच्चों पे फर्क पड़ेगा। टीचर्स विल बी मोर रिलैक्स, टीचर विल एबल टू वर्क ऑन इट। And here comes, which already the Chitraji mentioned about the 5 sheets. So this is here when we are talking about the NEP 2020 framework Panchkosha Vikas. And here is this Vikas, that is, there are 5, means all human beings, not only students. All human beings have these 5 sheets इनको हिंदी में पंचकोशा शीत बोला गया है। 5 जो हमारी बॉडी है, हमारा जो पूरा शरीर है, वो 5 लेयर से बना हुआ है। तो फर्स्ट जो लेयर है हमारी, उसको बोला जाता है अन्नमय कोशा। अन्नमय, अन्नमय मीन्स अन्न के नाम से होता है फूड। जो भी हम खाते हैं, जो भी हम पीते हैं, उससे हमारी बॉडी डेवलप होती है। हम या तो हेल्दी बहुत अच्छे हमारी बॉडी अच्छे से ग्रोन अप होती है। अगर हम अच्छा न्यूट्रिशन डाइट नहीं ले रहे हैं तो हमारी बॉडी वीक होती है। अगर हम बहुत अच्छे से डाइट ले रहे हैं तो हमारी बॉडी, अगर हम ओवर ईटिंग कर रहे हैं तो हमारी बॉडी उसी हिसाब से डेवलप होती है। सो दिस इज अन्नमय कोशा, जो कि हम जो खा रहे हैं, जो हम पी रहे हैं, फिजिकल वेलबींग एंड बॉडी अवेयरनेस इज अ अन्नमय कोशा. Coming into it now, just I ask you all just to have close your eyes and just feel your breath just for 2 minutes. क्या आप रिलीज मतलब कर पा रहे हो अपने आप को, बिलीव कर पा रहे हो कि आपकी जो अंदर बॉडी है या फिर जो प्राण चल रहा है वो है वाकई में? कैन यू हैव दैट फीलिंग कि आपकी सांस ऊपर नीचे हो रही है? आप अगर आंख बंद करके उसको महसूस करें थोड़ा सा 2 मिनट के लिए, यू कैन फील, यस, जो सांस है हमारी ऊपर नीचे आ रही है। हम जब सांस ले रहे हैं तो हमारा पेट बाहर को आ रहा है। जब हम सांस, यस तरंग जी, यू आर रेजिंग हैंड.
Ma'am, your slides are frozen on the title slide only. Are you showing something else?
यस यस, इट्स नॉट.
No, it hasn't moved even once.
ओह अच्छा अच्छा, ओके, जस्ट अ मिनट, आई अगेन शेयर. रूपांशी, यू हैवंट इन्फॉर्म बच्चा. कैन यू सी नाउ?
Ma'am, even now it's on the title slide.
Okay.
Ma'am, you have to share it again. Stop share and then share it.
I have shared. I'm sharing again. Now can you see?
For a second, we saw the second slide. Now, yes, we can see it now. Thank you.
Thank you. So actually, there is some problem in slideshow. When I'm doing slideshow, it's not moving. So I'm not doing slideshow now. Okay. So this I have already mentioned. This we have already worked, means like talked about. And I was on this slide where we were talking about the Annamaya Kosha, Pranamaya Kosha. So Pranamaya Kosha, I was telling that we all, if we close our eyes, we all can feel कि हमारी जो सांसें हैं ऊपर नीचे होती हैं, right? And that give us the belief, yes, the pran is there in our body. It's not the body, under the body, inside the body, there is something going, some system is there which make us alive. उस सिस्टम के थ्रू हम अलाइव हैं, हमारे सारे ऑर्गन्स वर्क कर रहे हैं. हम अगर हमारे सांस, ये जो हम ब्रीदिंग की बात कर रहे हैं, अगर ये नहीं है तो हम 1 मिनट भी हमारा ऑर्गन वर्क नहीं करेगा कोई भी. सो दैट इज कंसिडर्ड एज अ प्राणमय कोशा. दैट इज एन एनर्जी एंड वी ऑल हैव दैट्स दिस एनर्जी. All the living beings, not only human beings, but all the living beings are also having these panch koshas. नाउ कमिंग टू दी मनोमय कोशा. अगर हम स्पिरिचुअल उसमें जाएंगे तो इसका डिफरेंट मीनिंग होता है. मनोमय कोशा मीन्स मेंटल. हम सब के सब, अगर हम बिलीव करें, अभी भी जब आप लोग सेशन ले रहे हो या मैं सेशन करा रही हूँ, इन द बैक ऑफ द माइंड सम थॉट्स आर गोइंग ऑन, राइट? सम मेंटल इमोशनल, हमारा कुछ चल रहा है, इमोशनल होते हैं हम, कहीं मेंटली हम कहीं परेशान होते हैं, कहीं हम कोई फीलिंग्स हमें हर्ट कर जाती हैं, कोई फीलिंग्स हमें हमेशा के लिए रह जाती हैं, कहीं हम मेंटली डेवलप हो जाते हैं, कहीं हम नहीं हो पाते हैं. हर एक का अपना एक मेंटल और इमोशनल बैलेंस होता है, जहाँ पे अगर हम लर्न कर लेते हैं तो हम इफेक्टिवली वर्क कर पाते हैं. अगर हम नहीं लर्न कर पाते तो आप देखते होंगे लोग सुसाइड कर लेते हैं, या फिर लोग जरा सी किसी झगड़े में एक दूसरे को मार देते हैं, या फिर मेंटली डिस्टर्ब रहते हैं, उनको नहीं पता होता है वो क्या कर रहे हैं. दोज हु आर इमोशनली इंटेलिजेंट, दे आर एबल टू कोप अप विद द emotions, whatever the emotions they are going through. So that is a manomaya kosha. And then it comes the vigyanmaya kosha. Now if you think in the wider aspect, जब हम सोते हैं, ठीक है, हम कॉन्शियसली सो रहे हैं, और आप अगर जागते हो, अगर हम विज्ञान को मैं एक एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू समझा रही हूँ आपको कि क्या विज्ञान में कोशा क्या होता है, वैसे तो ये इंटेलेक्चुअल डेवलपमेंट हुआ, हर एक बच्चे का, हर एक ह्यूमन का, सबका एक अपना इंटेलेक्चुअल लेवल होता है, विज्ञान होता है, अपना ज्ञान होता है उनका, जो कि आउटर सराउंडिंग से, उनकी कैसे स्टडीज हुई हैं उससे, उनके घर के एटमॉस्फियर से, विजडम से, उस हिसाब से उनका डेवलप होता है। तो एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल है विज्ञान में कोशा का कि हम कैसे रियलाइज करेंगे कि हम, हमारे अंदर वो इंटेलिजेंस है। तो हम सोते हैं, जब हम डीप कॉन्शियस उसमें सो रहे हैं, और जब हम जागते हैं तो वी आर अवेयर कि हम जाग गए हैं, वी आर नाउ इन द सराउंडिंग। So we are aware, we are knowledgeable to understand when we have to sleep, when we have to wake up, when what we have to do. So that intellectual development happens from the very childhood, from the time the child has born. This, all these koshas are working. Now they develop accordingly how we have been getting that surrounding. कैसी surrounding में हम पल रहे हैं, बढ़ रहे हैं, कैसे पेरेंट्स चिल्ला के बच्चे को बड़ा कर रहे हैं, मार के बड़ा कर रहे हैं, छोटी छोटी बातों पे उनको डांट रहे हैं, डरा रहे हैं, धमका रहे हैं, या उनको अलग एक एटमॉस्फियर लर्निंग का दे रहे हैं. So it works, it grow accordingly. And the last is the आनंदमय कोशा, जहाँ पे हम एंजॉय स्पिरिचुअली, तो इसका बिल्कुल ही डिफरेंट है कि हम बिल्कुल खो जाते हैं कि हम में और डिवाइन में कोई अंतर नहीं है. बट अगर हम अपने ह्यूमन बीइंग के उसमें, जनरल उसमें देखें, बच्चों के डेवलपमेंट में देखें, तो जहाँ पे हम जॉय, ब्लिसफुल, हंसते खेलते, प्ले वे मेथड से उनको वो सीख रहे हैं, तो ये कोशा उतना डेवलप होता है, उतना ग्रो करता है. और ये पांचों जो विकास हैं, ये पूरे बच्चों के बचपन से ही ग्रो होते हैं. एंड दैट्स द रीजन NEP अंडरस्टूड दिस, कि how important it is to make our educators aware about these koshas and help them to work on these. So anybody having any doubt till now? अभी तक किसी को कुछ NEP से ये पढ़ के कुछ उन्होंने वर्क किया हो, या इन कोशाओं पे उन्होंने लाइक डिटेल स्टडी किया हो और उन्होंने समझा हो? Anybody wants to like give any experiences, want to share any experiences? Meantime, I'll just unshare. Make it a little bit interactive, please. It will be good if it's interactive. You can raise your hand so that I can ask you to speak, because there are many 64 people joined in.
Yeah. Can you please come again with the question? I couldn't hear, audio problem was there.
Okay, so I'm saying that whatever the koshas we have heard right now, you all are aware about now as an educator or as a school leaders, whoever has joined from whichever the designation, you all are aware about NEP talking about these पंच कोशास. हमने किसी ने वर्क किया है उस पे, उसको इम्प्लीमेंट किया है अपने क्लासेस में in any ways where we are talking about these koshas, जहाँ पे उनको डेवलप किया. Yes, चित्रा जी, प्लीज.
Yeah, yes, sir.
I'll come to you. Yeah.
In that little experience what we have, especially during COVID time, right?
Mhm.
Especially during COVID time, we have tried with all the yoga, pranayam and aerobics online. Of course, everything was online. And we have done a little sort of research on the happiness factor also. So I think, today everybody is happy with the, if what, whatever we have, either we try to compromise or we think that is life, right? So children are also, as long as they get their basic necessities, if they don't get, they go to any extent to get it back. So we need to work at least till the minimum to the Jnanamaya Kosha, Manomaya and the Jnanamaya. Because the reason being, the NEP also says it is a 360-degree evaluation, right? If that has to happen from Annamaya, then Pranamaya, then Manomaya, we need to go. For that, as you said, the happiness curriculum was adapted in the school. And of course, the CBSE happiness curriculum, the book, etc., what they have given, it has proved its extent to develop this connection between Annamaya and the Jnanamaya. Thank you, ma'am.
Correct. Thank you. Yes, Rakhi ji, you want to say? You were raising hand earlier. Thank you, Chitra ji. Rakhi, you were raising hand. Would you like to?
Yeah. Yes, I'm audible.
Yes, you are audible.
Okay, so good morning to all the educators assembled here.
Rakhi,
And,
we would like to see you also. If you can switch on your camera, it will be very good.
Yeah, I'm really sorry because of network problem. I realized that
Not an issue.
not working properly.
Okay.
So that's a great commitment towards education that we all are here on Sunday morning, that too Navratras. So congratulations to all of you that we are lifelong learners, continuous learners. Now I would like to share about Panchakosha, which I implemented in my school. So let's take Annamaya Kosha. So Annamaya Kosha is basically the physical development of a child. Now, physical development includes all the activities our students are doing in the school. At the same time, the quality of nutrition the child is intaking. So we are very particular about what students are bringing in lunch, and teachers are supposed to be in the classroom with the students, and teacher also share the lunch with them. At the same time, we also share some very nutritious recipes in the form of PDFs and videos with the parents so that they can also learn about how delicious food can also be nutrient. Now, about Pranamaya Kosha, which is life force energy, means the child should be at a very good frequency. The child should have a good emotional frequency. So that is gratitude. Even CBSE has come up with gratitude lines for the students. So that is a part of our morning assembly. Now, Manomaya Kosha, that is emotional and mental development of a child. So for that, I first went for the training of my teachers, SEL training, social emotional learning, so that the teacher can actually be the role model for the students and at the same time create an environment for everybody in the class to be more empathetic. And last is Vinamaya Kosha means the intellectual, the wisdom. It is not one day task, it has to be in each and every activity, like connecting the chapters with SDG goals, connecting the chapters with 21st century skills. So there is a debate, or probably there is a discussion in the class with students, with the teacher. So to understand whether children are able to learn the connectivity of what they are learning to the different kind of skills which we mention in our curriculum, which are mentioned in our books. And blissful body always come by giving. Every child has to give. Nowadays what is happening, we all want, we have become want beings rather than human beings.
Right.
So so the importance of sharing, and how sharing this you first rather than the taker. So by conducting various donation drives on Diwali, visiting to anathalayas, or blind schools, visiting old age homes, really helps students to learn how to give. That's all. I am trying my little bit, and I'm ready to learn more from you, Preeti ma'am.
Thank you. I'm not here to teach anyone. You all are so educated. You all know everything. I'm just here to bring that how we all can together work and bring something good in our students. So thank you. Such a nice way you have explained this, and you are doing great job. So like moving further with this slide only. I hope again you all can see my slide. Please tell me if you can see. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Okay, fine. So now understanding. See, one thing here I want to explain the NEP 2020 framework Panchkosha Vikas, and the program which I have developed is named as a Dhara for this, where I have, being a chakra meditator, I have implemented these chakras into this Panchkosha Vikas development, and have developed in a manner where we can work on it, and we can develop each and every energy cells which are inside us. So I hope many of you are aware about that there are 7 chakras in our body, in each and everybody's body. Okay, every being. Sorry, somebody is scrolling on this. Please stop this. Can you please stop this? Okay, by mistake maybe it is, but somebody is using pen and scrolling on it. Please don't do it. So here you need to bit understand. I'm just giving you the explanation of a very small, concrete explanation of chakras. Here in the picture itself, if you see the energy centers, so these are the energy centers in each and every living being. If I say every living organism, these chakras are there, and these chakras are known as energy centers. So like from the spine, as we sit, our chakras begin from there till the head on the skull of our, means like this portion of ours, the chakras are there from spine till this portion. आपने सुना होगा ना, छोटे बच्चा जब इन्फेंट होता है तो बोलते हैं कि उसको बहुत अच्छे से कैरी करो कि, और यहाँ पे मत मारना, यहाँ पे मत करना, ये बहुत पोला होता है, ऐसे सब हमके हमारे बड़े दादी वगैरह सब ऐसा बोलते थे. And because these are very sensitive centers and gradually they develop. और अगर ये चक्रास हमारे इम्बैलेंस्ड हैं, आज अगर आप लोग को ये पता चलेगा कि आपको पैरों में दर्द क्यों हो रहा है, आप many of you might be suffering from the knee pain or a leg pain. अगर मैं आपको बोलूं कि आपका रूट चक्रा मैम खराब है, इम्बैलेंस्ड है, दैट्स द रीजन आपके ये नी में दर्द हो रहा है. अगर मैं आपके चक्रास पे वर्क करूं तो आपका नी पेन, आपका लेग पेन चला जाएगा. In the same manner, if I say कि if anybody is suffering from the abdominal pain or a constipation or something like this related to the lower abdomen or the upper abdomen, so there are some imbalance of the chakra. अगर मैं किसी को बोलूं कि अगर ये बच्चा इमोशनली वीक है, बात बात पे रो देता है, या बहुत ज्यादा इमोशनल है, बहुत सेंसिटिव है, तो उसका अनाहता चक्रा खराब है, इम्बैलेंस्ड है. खराब इन द सेंस इम्बैलेंस है. या फिर मैं बोलूँ कि एक बच्चे को याद ही नहीं होता है, वो बार बार पढ़ता है, मैम पेरेंट्स कितना कंप्लेन करते हैं, वो पढ़ता है भूल जाता है, पढ़ता है भूल जाता है, तो उसका कहीं पर उसका आज्ञा चक्रा इज इम्बैलेंस्ड. सो दीज आर द चक्रास विच आर एंटायर, मीन्स आपको अगर बॉडी में कुछ भी हो रहा है, there are the chakras are the reason, the imbalance of these chakras are the reason for it. And many of you will believe and many of you will not believe. I have like we have a community of these healers, and there the people are, even means like even I am healing one of the cancer patient. तो उनको हीलिंग दिया जा रहा है, माइंड हीलिंग दिया जा रहा है उनको. उनके एक मेरे रिलेटिव तो नहीं थे, मेरे फ्रेंड के हस्बैंड को अचानक से पता चलता है उनको गले पे यहाँ पे गांठ हो गई है. एंड द मोमेंट ही वाज इन्फॉर्म्ड अबाउट इट, उनको फियर ऑफ डेथ आ गया था. नाउ वो कहते हैं ना, आदमी उससे बीमारी से तो बाद में मरता, बट वो सोच सोच के मरे जा रहे थे. एंड देन दिस लेडी अप्रोच टू मी, and then I have given the mind healing to him, उसी चक्रास पे वर्क करके, and he was out from it. There are certain cases जहाँ पे पूरी बॉडी हील हो गई है because working on these chakras. Coming to the students, अगर कोई बच्चा पढ़ने में कमजोर है, अगर कोई स्टेज फियर है, अगर किसी को फिजिकल प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, अगर किसी को इमोशनल प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, मेंटल प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, इवन ADHD भी हीलिंग किए जा सकता है, बट देर आर सर्टेन डिफरेंट टेक्निक्स फॉर इट. So these are the imbalance of the chakras, and I have developed a course where I have incorporated these chakras with the Panchakosha, जहाँ पे हमारा NEP बात कर रहा है. So let's understand these. So understanding these chakras and the student well-being here, the root chakra imbalance. अगर किसी का root chakra imbalance है, as I already mentioned, तो वहाँ पे उस बच्चे को fear होगा, इनसिक्योरिटी होगी, वो अनसेफ फील कर रहा होगा, उसको हमेशा पीछे बैठना अच्छा लग रहा होगा, वो आई टू आई कांटेक्ट नहीं कर रहा होगा, उसका कहीं ना कहीं वो छुपता फिर रहा होगा, या फिर कहीं ऐसे दुपक के बैठा होगा, या फिर बहुत पीछे से साइलेंटली वर्क कर रहा होगा. उसको एक फियर है, उसका रूट चक्र इम्बैलेंस है. अगर उसका स्वादिष्ठाना या सेक्रल चक्र इम्बैलेंस है, तो उसको इमोशनल इम्बैलेंस है, वो बहुत जल्दी इरिटेट हो रहा होगा, उसकी क्रिएटिविटी में उसको कुछ भी नहीं होगा, वो चुपचाप ऐसे कुछ भी नहीं, जैसा आपने बोल दिया वैसा, बस वो अपना दिमाग ही यूज नहीं करेगा. सेक्सुअल थॉट्स उसके बहुत ज्यादा ऑब्सेशंस में होंगे। तो ऐसे भी हम लोग जो केसेस देखते हैं उसमें ये प्रॉब्लम्स आती है कि जहाँ पे उनका सैक्रल चक्र जो है वो इम्बैलेंस है। सोलर प्लेक्सस जो चक्र होता है वो हमारा स्वादिष्ठाना चक्र होता है, जो कि हमारे एब्डोमेन में ऊपर की तरफ होता है। दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ लो कॉन्फिडेंस। वहां पे अगर आपका सेक्रल चक्र है तो आप देखोगे अच्छे से अच्छा बच्चा, इवन आई विल से टीचर्स, इवन आई हैव सीन द वन कोऑर्डिनेटर अप्रोच टू मी कि मैम मेरा प्रेजेंटेशन है कल, मुझे आपसे, और दिल्ली की कोऑर्डिनेटर थे वो, एक स्कूल में बहुत बहुत अच्छे कोऑर्डिनेटर थे, पर उनका प्रेजेंटेशन था एंड ही वाज सो मच, शी वाज सो मच इन फियर कि शी अप्रोच मी कि मैम मेरे को मेरा प्रेजेंटेशन है एक हफ्ते बाद और मुझे 120 टीचर्स को एड्रेस करना है, आई एम मतलब लाइक आई एम हैविंग अ फोबिया शॉर्ट ऑफ, मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा। सो लो कॉन्फिडेंस, स्टेज फ्राइज होंगे, डिफरेंट डिफिकल्टी इन मीन्स लाइक उनको अपने आप में समझाने में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होगी। हार्ट चक्र अगर किसी का इम्बैलेंस है तो उनको रिलेशनशिप इश्यूज होंगे। ये यहाँ पे अभी हम सिर्फ बच्चे की बात कर रहे हैं, इसलिए हम रिलेशनशिप, उनके आपस में झगड़े होते रहेंगे, अदरवाइज इट इज सेम रिलेटेड टू द ह्यूमन बींग्स। तो रिलेशनशिप स्ट्रगल्स होंगे, उनको बहुत ज्यादा या तो ओवर सेंसिटिव होंगे या बहुत झगड़ालू होंगे, उनको कुछ भी मतलब कनेक्ट करने में भी किसी से प्रॉब्लम होगी, उनके बहुत फ्रेंड्स बनाना भी उनके लिए बहुत दिक्कत होगा, किसी से बात करना, बात बात पे तुनक जाएंगे और या फिर बहुत सेंसिटिव हो जाएंगे, ओवर और लोअर दोनों साइड्स बिकॉज ऑफ द इम्बैलेंस। थ्रोट चक्र किसी का है तो वो अपने सेल्फ एक्सप्रेशन ही नहीं है, मतलब लाइक आप देखोगे कभी क्लास में वो बच्चा बोलता ही नहीं है, कोई भले ही बहुत अच्छा लिख लेता होगा बट वो एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाता, कम्युनिकेट नहीं कर पाता। सोशल एंजाइटी, जहां उसको भीड़ दिखेगी वो एकदम एंशियस हो जाएगा, वो सोशल गैदरिंग्स में जाना पसंद नहीं करेगा। आपके खुद के बच्चे भी होंगे, ऐसा आपने महसूस किया होगा कि खुद के बच्चे भी ऐसे ही होंगे कि कई बार ऐसा होगा कि वो बच्चों को बोलेंगे कि यहाँ चलने के लिए और वो एकदम से कि नहीं नहीं मुझे नहीं जाना, ऐसा। देन थर्ड आई इम्बैलेंस द लीड टू द पुअर फोकस। अगर उसका थर्ड आई इम्बैलेंस है तो पुअर फोकस है, वो फोकस नहीं कर पाएंगे, मेमोरीज उनकी बहुत वीक रहेंगी, इनएबिलिटी टू सी द बिगर पिक्चर, मतलब कुछ भी चीज का डिसीजन नहीं ले पाएंगे। उनको छोटे छोटे डिसीजंस भी अपने पेरेंट्स पे या अपने फ्रेंड्स पे या अपने टीचर, दे आर नॉट एबल टू टेक अ सिंगल इवन द स्मॉलेस्ट डिसीजन। उनको आज क्या पहनना है या उनकी आज पार्टी है तो उनको क्या पहन के जाना है, वाले भी डिसीजंस वो लेने में कई बार असमर्थ हो जाएंगे। And healing these energy centers bring the natural balance. It enhance the focus, emotional resilience उनमें आता है और दोनों में सपोर्ट मिलता है, like personal growth में भी and even the academics, because these chakras, when we are working on these chakras, the entire body energy centers aligned with each other and they start working in that sense. So अगर कोई भी, yes, somebody was saying something. Okay, so I'll come to the questions here only. See, like if anybody wants to ask regarding these chakras, what we mentioned, anybody is having any questions regarding this or any other understanding that they want? Anyone, if you want to ask, I would love to, from the more our educators, learned educators to please ask more questions, because this is something when you understand it deeply, then only you are able to implement it. No questions? Surprising. Okay. So shall I proceed? Okay, how to identify root chakra problem? Okay, so root chakra problem, see, if a child is having a insecurity in this sense कि उसको हमेशा ये लगा रहता है कि वो तो ऐसे ही हो जाएगा, उसके साथ तो यही फेल हो जाएगा, उसको इनसिक्योरिटी कि वो एग्जाम में फेल हो जाएगा, उसको एग्जाम की एंजाइटी हो रही है, या फिर उसको प्रॉब्लम हो रही है कि वो किसी पे भी ट्रस्ट नहीं कर पा रहा है, आप कुछ समझा रहे हो तो उसका फोकस भी नहीं रह रहा है, तो दिस इज बिकॉज और बॉडी फिजिकल उसमें मैं जानूं अगर बड़े उसमें, तो अगर आपका लोअर बॉडी में अगर कहीं पे भी पेन है, लोअर बॉडी में, नी में, थाइस में, आपके उसमें लोअर बॉडी में पेन है, दैट मीन्स दैट योर रूट चक्रा इज इम्बैलेंस्ड. Okay, it could be just be a day, whether the child is tired or external factors like weather. Yeah, of course, it can be. But this is not. See, these chakras, when we are working, if 1 or 2 days, if a slight fever is there and because of that the body ache is there, that is something else. But मैं आपको ये भी बोलूंगी फ्रेंडी कि मैंने तो मीन्स लाइक अगर मुझे फीवर वगैरह होता है तो आई हार्डली टेक एनी मेडिसिन. I do the healing through the chakras only. तो ऐसा भी होता है. बट हाँ, अगर किसी को 1 दिन में या 2 दिन में हो रहा है तो ऐसा नहीं है कि उसका रूट चक्र इम्बैलेंस हो गया, ऐसा नहीं होता है. ठीक है, अगर फीवर है या उसने बहुत खेल लिया है, but if it is a regular, means like a regular complaint, and if it is observed by the teachers कि like this child is very insecure, this child is never ever coming forward to discuss something, this child is having an anxiety about the exams or something else anxiety, then the root chakra imbalance is there, definitely. Okay, so anybody, any questions? Should I proceed? मेरे एजुकेटर्स ने ज्वाइन तो किया है बट दे आर नॉट पार्टिसिपेटिंग. नोटेड मैम, थैंक यू. ओके, so now coming to this, we have already understood the chakras now. Now introducing this dual program approach which I have developed, and this is Dhara and Sahaj. Now what is in this program? My main motive is to explain you so that you can tell your school leaders, and that's the reason I was more looking forward to the school leaders to join in to understand, because they are the only one who is going to implement. Plus the educators, those who have joined, they can definitely approach to me if they are having a severe problems like this, even for in their child or in the whichever the grade they are teaching in. वहाँ पे अगर ये वो एनकाउंटर करते हैं कि ऐसा प्रॉब्लम, दे कैन डेफिनेटली अप्रोच टू मी to have a discussion on it, like how to go about. So healing and meditation program है ये, जहाँ पे बच्चों के साथ में stress reduction techniques apply करी जाएंगी. There are different stress releasing techniques are there, जहाँ पे फोकस और कंसंट्रेशन उनका एनहांसमेंट होता है, एनर्जी बैलेंस होते हैं उनके, सारे के सारे चक्रास जो है वो अलाइन होते हैं, और माइंडफुल प्रैक्टिस फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स होती है कि मीन्स वो एक डेली प्रैक्टिस से. ये पायलट प्रोग्राम बनाया हुआ है 7 days का. इट्स नॉट दैट कि 7 days का प्रोग्राम लेने के बाद बहुत सारा इंप्रूवमेंट यू विल सी. इट इज अ मेजरेबल, मीन्स लाइक व्हेन दिस प्रोग्राम इज बीन टेकन, यू कैन मेजर इवन कि बच्चे की स्टेज क्या थी और अभी क्या है. और मैं लास्ट में आप लोगों को सबको ये एक्सपीरियंस भी कराऊंगी, सो यू योरसेल्फ कैन मेजर इट. So stay tuned till the last, okay? And this is the Sahaj. Sahaj is related to the public speaking confidence, the communication skill development. I have developed an Oreo method. Oreo biscuit वाला जो method है ना, I have just given the, अभी हम आगे देखेंगे उसको. Oreo method to structure the speaking. Stage fear elimination techniques. There are many again techniques where it is incorporated with the chakras only. And leadership and self-expression techniques are there where child will become confident. So 2 comprehensive program addressing the root causes of the students. So I am not talking here only with the solution which is 1 or 2, like चित्रा मैम ने भी शायद मेंशन किया कि योगा है, ये है. तो एक दिन अगर योगा हम कर लेते हैं या 2 दिन योगा कर लेते हैं, 4 दिन कर लेते हैं, अगर रेगुलर कर रहे हैं तो डेफिनेटली फर्क आता है. बट 1 और 2 दिन से नहीं आता. उसका सेशन 1 दिन होता है तो नहीं उसका फर्क आता है. बट इफ इट इज एन कंटिन्यूएशन, कंसिस्टेंट प्रैक्टिस, देन डेफिनेटली इट विल ब्रिंग द चेंज. तो ये जो दोनों प्रोग्राम्स हैं, एंशिएंट विजडम को ध्यान में रखते हुए इनकॉर्पोरेटेड विद द मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजी. So this has been developed in this manner. So like let's see like what is under it and what all will be taken care. So Dhara program का जो है उसमें awareness and grounding, जहाँ पे building foundation of a self awareness and stability पे काम किया जाएगा. Then second day पे releasing anxiety, techniques of letting go, means children will learn. Even the teachers, if the group of teachers want to take, they can also have this techniques of letting go, and worry and fear will be there. They will learn these techniques. Building focus, concentration practices होंगी कि कहाँ पे वो कैसे अपना concentration बढ़ाएंगे जिससे उनको academic success मिलेगी. Emotional resilience, टूल फॉर मैनेजिंग डिफिकल्ट इमोशंस. बहुत सारे बच्चों को, हमको पता है आजकल कितना इमोशनल ब्रेकडाउन्स हैं. छोटे छोटे उम्र में उनको प्यार हो जाता है, छोटे छोटे उम्र में उनका दिल टूट जाता है, तो उनको वहाँ पे इमोशनल रिजिलियंस. एंड दीज आर ऑल बिकॉज द एक्सपोजर. So we need to make them understand what is the right way to go about it and how to release those emotions effectively. Energy and balance, harmonizing the internal energy system. Again, working on the chakras for it. Self-care and positivity, developing sustainable wellness habits. So they will be taught how they can develop those habits. There are certain techniques, there are certain generals will be given to them. They will be asked as a task to do. and they will be working on it, which help them to develop those habits. And integration and toolbox, creating personalized daily practice routines will be there. एक्सपेक्टेड आउटकम्स क्या होगा, इससे क्या होगा इस प्रोग्राम से लेने के लिए? तो आपका फोकस, बच्चे का फोकस बढ़ता है, इनर कामनेस बढ़ती है, इम्प्रूव्ड क्लासरूम डिसिप्लिन होता है, और कॉन्फ्लिक्ट जो एग्जाम्स में जो रेडीनेस आती है, वो कॉन्फिडेंस आता है, वो डेवलप होता है. एंड चिल्ड्रन से इफ अ क्लास इज क्वाइट टू सम एक्सटेंट, टीचर्स आर मोर एबल टू डिलीवर इन अ प्रॉपर मैनर, राइट? यू ऑल विल एग्री विथ मी. अगर क्लास 24 घंटे डिस्टर्बिंग, सो डिस्टर्बेंस इज अगेन टू टाइप्स. One is the healthy discussion, and other one is just a shouting and creating the chaos. So there the teacher will not be able to deliver. Okay, so this program has been developed in this manner. You can definitely take a screenshot of this. If you want to give to your principal or the coordinators, if they haven't joined, you can definitely pass it on to your seniors so that they can understand and they can definitely approach to me later on. यहाँ तक थोड़ा समझ में आया? Any questions related to धारा? I would love to, if you people please interact. किसी को भी कुछ क्वेश्चन है धारा को लेके? Any questions? No questions? समझ में आ रहा है मैं क्यों समझा रही हूँ? ऐसा तो नहीं ऊपर से ही सब मैं बस बोले जा रही हूँ. I want the interaction. संगीता जी, आप कुछ बोलना चाहोगे?
These workshops are held where? That's one thing I was wondering. And also, secondly, are they free or are they paid workshops
Okay,
for the
so
children? For the
for
children.
this, for
Yeah.
the schools, definitely it's a pilot program for 7 days. So school can choose any set of the groups. Okay, like for an example, if they have chosen the identified, or even they will be from my end, the Google Forms will be there where I help the school to identify कि कौन सा बच्चा कौन से कैटेगरी में जाएगा. तो अगर मैं धारा की बात कर रही हूँ, तो धारा का सर्टेन एज ग्रुप जो होगा, उस सर्टेन ग्रुप के लिए लाइक 30 to 45 तक के जो इसमें स्टूडेंट्स होंगे, डेफिनेटली दिस इज अ पायलट प्रोग्राम, बट इट विल बी हैविंग दी सम चार्जेस, नॉट वेरी हाई, but some charges will be there because I'll be coming and I'll be the only one who will be coming and taking these sessions. And there will be the questions कि कैसे लेंगे. ऑलरेडी बहुत ज़्यादा बिजी सेशंस रहते हैं, बिजी हमारा शेड्यूल रहता है. सो उसके लिए मैं आगे बात करूंगी इसके बारे में कि हम कैसे स्कूल के साथ इसको इनकॉर्पोरेट कर सकते हैं इस प्रोग्राम को. योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वाज, आई एम नॉट एबल टू मींस लाइक एबल टू गेट दैट क्वेश्चन. कैन यू रिपीट प्लीज? You are on mute. You are on mute.
What I had asked was how and where. Is it
Okay, so
offline, online? And of course, the second part is the charges which you've told us.
so yes, it is offline only, but if school wants it to be online, we can have, but you can also understand that the more effectiveness will come with the offline only, right? So it will be offline. Yeah. Any other questions, anybody?
If
Please
you
do
can
ask.
share yes, ma'am. If you can share some of the techniques which you have practiced and you have seen the results, that would be wonderful. Thank you.
Okay. So techniques, ma'am, I have worked, as I already mentioned, that these techniques as a chakra meditations techniques also, these are the certain techniques which without having the certification, one cannot apply it. So you have a certain certification for it. So if I tell you also, it will not be working because you have to work on the chakras for it. And then there with the chakras, there are different methodologies which I'll be using. So that will be in the plan. Means like when you connect with me for the school group, definitely I'll take you through all the techniques, at what all techniques I'll be taking care over there.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Anyone else? Now coming to the
Ma'am, how, what is the youngest, sorry for interrupting. What is the youngest age group you take on with when children are concerned?
see, healing can be done from the like even from the infant, okay, but there the mother involvement is required, but it can start from the nursery till the grade 12. To see the measurable result, I'll suggest the school to choose, means just to take the pilot program and see the results. I suggest from 6th to 12th. Then coming to the Sahaj program, that is an Oreo method mastery. So here this Sahaj is about the public speaking. Here I have Oreo method which I have means like already talked about. यहाँ पे हम बात करेंगे originality, reliability, evaluation and openness. Then again here different techniques we will use. The originality का मतलब क्या होता है? Discover and develop the authentic voice. So there are again the certain techniques will be there. Reliability, how they will learn, what all examples they will be given, what all situations they will be given, and then how to evaluate it, and openness of it, that how the means like the results will be transparent and empathic expressions and all, to work on that. Again here the chakras will be incorporated, where we are working on their expression mode, will be working on their high esteem. They take evaluate themselves as a they started taking care of their self-worth and all. So these all techniques will be used over here. And again here the outcome will be clear communication, stage confidence will be there, enhanced empathy will be there, and active listening abilities will be there. So this is different from the other public speaking courses. There in market there are n number of public speaking courses, and you as an educator might also be taking these, means like debates are there, they are different. But again, this how it is different is, it is again incorporated with the chakras, where I already mentioned that how chakras affect the expressions, low steam and all. So here again the chakras will be incorporated with this, and that's the reason it is being given the Sahaj program separately, incorporating with the chakras. Any questions over here? Anybody wants to ask related to this Sahaj program?
Sahaj is for which age group?
It is from grade 3 onwards. It is, I'll say like it will be more effective from the grade 3 onwards. Otherwise, before that, the children will be, means like they'll not be taking it so seriously. Okay?
So can't we take some simple chakras like demonstrations? Since I'm into yoga, so I can teach students. It's
Yeah.
not necessary to such a high level, but since I'm teaching kindergarten, so like I think so the smaller they are, the more they are going to adapt to it. The body is flexible. So since
Right,
I
right.
used to also do yoga since I was into my
Mhm.
childhood. So with simple asanas, simple things, which it will be easier for the teacher once they'll go to class 3 or 4. Things will be
Yeah.
much
So you
simplified.
can start with the, because you are already the yoga teacher, so you can start giving the practice of the stability, remaining silent for 5 minutes. Okay. And then
Okay.
again the fun activity, then again silent activity, then again fun activity, like this.
Okay.
So once they understand that activity, and then gradually you can start with the some kind of tips, like giving the impromptu to speak about it. So with the very small kids, we do that.
Thank you. Yes.
Because the biggest problem with the small kids is they cannot sit at one place, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So start with the stability, means like the silent sitting.
Okay. Silent sitting. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Now, our comprehensive methodology, where, as Chitra ji mentioned, can you tell us the methodologies about it? So here, when I talk about the healing and meditation, so chakra alignment practice I'll be using with the guided breathwork sessions and mindfulness techniques that addresses the energy imbalances. So there is a certain, means like here I will give you an experience here at the last, where you understand that what all strategies will be there. I'll be using it, so you can understand that how it is going to work. It will be just a small glimpse of 10 minutes. Okay, not more than 10 minutes. So here the incorporation of this program will be like this. Then experiential learning, the interactive role plays will be there, creative storytelling exercises will be there, mirror practice will be there, and engaging and memorable situations will be there. Then reflection and feedback will be there. The structured journaling activities will be there, where they will be given the practice of how to do the journaling every day. Then circles, like sharing in circles, deepen self-awareness and building community connections will be there. They will be given the affirmations and more of the things which can be incorporated in it, where it will be very easy. It will not be burdened. It will be very easy. They will enjoy that part. And sustained growth, personalized, as I mentioned, affirmation, comprehensive follow-up material will be there, which they will be sending. If the program has been taken, they will be sending, and the follow-ups will be there. Practical tools will be means given to them, where it can be evaluated how much development is there from the scale 1 to scale 2 after the 7 days, where they have reached, how much they feel they have worked on themselves, how much they see that there are changes in them. So these all tools are measurable. So you can measure them on the scales, like where it is, okay? And when these two programs work on root causes versus the surface solutions. Like for an example, as Nidhi, you already mentioned that you are a yoga teacher. So like traditional approaches are there, like we join the yoga classes, but again, if the chakras are not balanced, somewhere it will work, but it will more work when you work with the chakras on it. So one-time motivational talk will not work. Temporary stress relief activities will not work. Quick fixes without lasting impact will not work. Symptoms, these all are the traditional approaches. When we talk about the holistic method, so address root energy, which is the cause. And even now, all the scientists have given a validation to the chakras. Yes, chakras imbalancing create the major problems. So even there, it has been validated by the scientists, it has been validated by the different scholars over here, and they say like if even the means like biggest disease can be cured through the chakras, means like if you work on the balancing on the chakras. Building sustainable confidence, create lasting transformation, and developing the lifelong coping skills. And these approaches goes beyond the surface level. Definitely it is not on the surface level, it is working on the root. जैसे कि हमारा पेड़ अगर ऊपर से जब बड़े बैम्बू के जैसा है ना, कि पहले नीचे वो ग्रो रूट उसके स्ट्रांग होते हैं, देन उसका फिर हाइट एकदम से बढ़ती है. So it is called working on the roots, and then the entire growth you can see, the entire changes you can see, fundamental shift you can see when you work on the roots for it. And the benefits the students will get is enhanced academic performance. Definitely there will be change in their academics, they will start focusing, they will get a memory retention more. That is definite. It is not that 1% भी ऐसा कि पता नहीं होगा कि नहीं होगा. Healing will start working on it. It is that how much practice they are doing. Communication excellence, confident self-expression, effective public speaking, the entire ability, communication ability will be definitely improved in that. Emotional resilience, they will be more emotional intelligent. They will start working on the empathy, and they start understanding their stress. They will start acknowledging their emotions. That is more and very important part, that they are aware about the emotions. Social and emotional growth will be there, increased empathy, better relations with the peers. They are started understanding each other, more of the means like support in the personal and social welfare, and so academic issues will be worked. So these are the benefits which the students will get. What the benefits teachers will get will be, just a minute. So teachers will be they will be benefit, like improved classroom environment will be there. Definitely when the children are silent, children are more emotion intelligent, when children understand that why the discipline is required, when it is required, when they need the like fun part, when entire thing they are aware about, that definitely the improved classroom environment will be there. Motivated students will be there. Students will be not only one or two, but the entire class will be motivated through that. And strong relationship between the teacher and the students. Teachers will be able to understand when they are aware about the imbalances, so they are able to cope up with those children very effectively, and they understand their root problems and they start working on it. And NEP 2020 implementation will be definitely the practically structured approach to implement the holistic education. So these are the benefits which teacher will will get. And implementation strategy will be, this is a pilot program launch, begin with the focus 7-day pilot batch, to demonstrate the immediate, मतलब पायलट प्रोग्राम से आप चालू करो और उसको उसका इफेक्ट देखो पहले कि बेस लाइन से चालू करें या फिर 6th या 7th के बच्चों को ले लिया, 6th 7th 8th से बच्चों को ले लिया, एक किसी ग्रुप को ले लिया, सारे बच्चों को नहीं लिया, एक ग्रुप को ले लिया। इम्पैक्ट असेसमेंट, कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव इवैल्यूएशन उनका हो पाएगा, टीचर से फीडबैक और बच्चों से फीडबैक, इवन द पेरेंट्स कैन सी द रिजल्ट्स, so they will be giving the feedback on it. And उसके बाद long term partnership will be there, that how it can be worked for the entire year or entire few months, like this it can be. So this phased approach ensures the minimal risk, like मैक्सिमम पोटेंशियल डेवलप होगा और मिनिमल रिस्क है उसमें, कि उसमें कुछ नुकसान नहीं है, ऐसा बोलते हैं ना कि नुकसान कुछ नहीं है, फायदा ही है. सो इट विल बी द विन विन वाला सिचुएशन ऑलवेज. So when students are balanced, confident, and resilient, learning outcomes effortless. And that is true, that learning becomes more effortless when children are balanced. Teachers are aware about their problems, the root problems. They are able to develop those children more confident and resilient. So this is from my end. You can take my number. You can take my email ID. You can approach to me. Whenever you have any query, or if you want to implement this program, these programs in the school, or you want me to talk to the higher authorities after attending this session, if you feel like that, yes, it is really going to work for any of school, or if teachers are really very puzzled at how to work, principals, leaders are very puzzled at how to work on these behavioral issues in the children, you can definitely connect with me. I'll be there more, feel more welcome to help you all in this scenario. Yeah. So this is all from my end. I'll give you a small healing wala part. So if you all are ready for that, please, I want in the chat, if you all are ready. It will hardly take 5 to 10 minutes, but you can definitely measure the shift in you after that. Just type yes if you want to experience that. If you want to experience that, just type yes, yes. Okay, so I can see yes. 2 yes only I get. Rest of you don't want. Yes, okay, yes, 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 yes. Okay. Now people started giving. Okay, okay. So I'll not take much time. Please, before that, how was the session? Whether you really find it effective, this program? If you can write few lines, it will help me to promote myself. If you can write that, and after experiencing also, you can mention that. Please write 1 or 2 lines. It will really help me to promote my questions and promote my these 2 courses. Whether do you really feel that these courses are going to work? It will be very grateful. Thank you, Dula ji. Thank you, Diksha. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so keep giving your feedbacks. It will definitely going to work for me. And after experiencing this session, means like I'm going to start with all. Please tell me that how you have felt. So before we dive deep into this healing process, I would like you to focus on any of the pain you are having in your body right now. If you are feeling if you are feeling stressed or eye pain or a head pain or any kind of pain, if you have, just mention in the chat like, yes, you are having this pain. I just want to know. And on the scale, means अगर मैं बोलूँ scale पे कि कितना है, मतलब नी में problem 4 तक का है कि 10 का है. 10 is on the higher side and 4 is on the lower side. तो अगर कहीं पे पेन है, पैर में पेन है, हेड में पेन है, हैंड में पेन है, कहीं पर भी पेन है, स्ट्रेस है दिमाग में बहुत, तो वो आपका कितना है उस स्केल पे मेजर करके अगर आप लिखें तो इट विल बी गुड. Okay, so back pain 6, shoulder pain 6, left leg pain 4, okay, back pain 5. Wonderful session. Thank you, Geeta ji. Thank you. So those who want to, please, eye stress, shoulder pain, thank you, back pain 8, okay. So focus means like you have already mentioned, means you are aware about this pain. Now I'm going to start with the healing with you all. So I just ask you all to please sit straight. sit straight. I hope everybody is sitting straight. Okay. Just sit comfortably. Means like you can sit on sofa, you can sit on chair, you can sit on like down, anywhere you can sit. Just you have to sit straight. Wherever you are sitting on a bed, sit straight. If you're sitting on a chair, sit straight. Keep your feet firmly on the ground. If you're sitting down, just connect yourself down. Okay. I hope everybody is ready now. So I'm starting with this healing. Okay. You already have mentioned from 1 to 10, whatever the pain you have. If you have yet not mentioned, it's okay. You keep it in mind that you have this pain, and on the scale of whatever the scale you feel that this pain is on this scale, keep it in your mind, and later on you can share with me. Okay, so I'm starting. Sit in a comfortable position with your spine straight. Place your feet firmly on the ground. If seated or on a bed, floor, imagine being deeply connected to the earth. So whether you are sitting on a chair, feel that you are connected with Mother Earth. If you are sitting on bed floor, feel yourself connected with Mother Earth. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Deep breath in, hold it, and slowly exhale. When you deep breath, your stomach to be out, expanded, and when you exhale, your stomach should contract. Feel the ground beneath you, whether it's a floor.
तू जानता नहीं मैं कौन हूँ? जा मेरी मैडम से पूछ ले। कौन मैडम? की माँ है ना, मेरी मैडम है।
Ma'am, you are on mute.
Now imagine a powerful nurturing energy flowing up from the core of the earth. This energy is warm, loving, and deeply healing. Imagine the core of the earth energy is entering. It moves through your feet, into your legs, and travel up into your lower spine, filling your entire being with nourishment and strength. महसूस करें कि ये माँ धरती की एनर्जी आपके पैरों से होते हुए ट्रैवल करते हुए आपके लोअर स्पाइन से ऊपर की तरफ जा रही है. Take a deep breath and allow this earth energy to flow through your entire body. Feel its love, kindness, and warmth as it enters every cell in your body. आपका एक एक सेल, एक एक ऑर्गन, एक एक टिश्यू प्यार से, काइंडनेस से, वार्मथ से भर रहा है. Now gently shift your focus on the top of your head. अपना ध्यान सर के ऊपर लेकर आए and visualize the radiant light above you. एक रेडियंट लाइट आपके सर के ऊपर घूम रही है, इसको विजुलाइज करें. The purest cosmic energy from the universe. ये एनर्जी पुरुष शक्ति है, जो कि ऊपर से लेके नीचे तक आपके अंदर एनलाइटमेंट भर रही है. Imagine this light. The cosmic light is full of blessing and infinite possibilities. ये पुरुषा शक्ति आपके अंदर एनर्जी क्लिंजिंग और हीलिंग कर रही है, और माँ धरती की शक्ति नीचे से ऊपर की तरफ और पुरुष शक्ति ऊपर से नीचे की तरफ जा रही है. ये संगम पुरुषा और प्रकृति का आपके अंदर हमेशा हमेशा से था. ये संगम आपके अंदर एक लाइट भर रहा है, एक स्फूर्ति भर रहा है. Now lift your hands upwards with palms open as if receiving the cosmic energy. अपने हाथों को ऊपर की तरफ उठाएं जैसे कि cosmic divine energy को receive कर रहे हैं. Feel the sacred union, the earth energy rising up and cosmic energy flowing down. You are now in the confluence of these two powerful energy of earth and cosmic. अपना हाथ वापस नीचे ले आए. Now gently bring your awareness to any area of your body that needs healing. अपना ध्यान उस पेन की तरफ लेके जाएं जहाँ पे आपको दर्द महसूस हो रहा है. अपना फोकस वहां लेकर जाएं जहां आपको दर्द हो रहा है, चाहे वो कोई भी अंग हो आपके बॉडी का. Now visualize a radiant blue healing light flowing to the affected area. एक ब्लू रेडिएंट लाइट आपके उस दर्द की जगह पे सराउंड कर लिया है. If you have pain or discomfort, imagine this energy surrounding and dissolving completely. इस ब्लू लाइट ने उस दर्द को पूरा बहा दिया है, अपने अंदर एब्जॉर्ब कर लिया है. ये दर्द पूरा का पूरा माँ धरती में समा गया है. This is the flow of Amrit spreading from your body, reaching the areas where the healing is needed. ये पूरा अमृत आपके बॉडी में बह गया है और पूरा टॉक्सिक बाहर निकल गया है. Feel this divine elixir absorbing all pain, discomfort, negativity, leaving you refreshed and whole. इमेजिन करिए ये ब्लू लाइट आपको पूरे शरीर में एक अमृत की तरह फैल गई है और आपकी नेगेटिविटी बाहर निकल गई है. टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ इन, होल्ड इट, एंड एज यू एक्सेल इमेजिन ऑल टॉक्सिन्स, पेन, डिस्कम्फर्ट बीइंग फ्लश्ड आउट. सारा आपका दर्द, आपका बॉडी का जहर, नेगेटिविटी बाहर फ्लश हो गई. See it flowing down. देखो वो बह रहा है, बाहर निकल रहा है. माँ ने अपने अंदर समा लिया है. ये अर्थ एनर्जी ने एब्जॉर्ब कर लिया है और आप पूरे तरीके से रिन्यूड हो गए, रिस्टोर्ड हो गए और परफेक्ट बैलेंस्ड हो गए. वाओ, इमेजिन दिस, विजुलाइज दिस ब्लू लाइट has cured you. Now bring both your hands together in gratitude. Say these words loudly and silently. Thank you, universe. Thank you, Mother Earth. I surrender to your healing energy. I trust this divine process. I am healed. I am whole. I am blessed. Repeat this 3 times. Thank you, universe. Thank you, Mother Earth. I surrender to your healing energy. I trust this divine process. I'm healed. I'm whole. I'm blessed. Thank you, universe. Thank you, Mother Earth, for healing me. Now lift your hands towards the heaven and visualize the cosmic shower of blessing flowing down, जैसे आप बाथरूम में शॉवर से नहाते हैं और पूरे भीग जाते हैं, ऐसे ही आपके ब्लेसिंग्स, येलो लाइट आपके पूरे बॉडी से ऊपर से लेके नीचे तक आपको तरोताजा कर दिया है, आपको रिजुवनेट कर दिया है, आपके सारे जहर को, दर्द को बहा दिया है। Feel yourself immersed in this energy, completely rejuvenated, free and at peace. आप पूरी तरीके से हील हो चुके हैं। आपकी बॉडी का एक एक सेल, एक एक टिश्यू, एक एक ऑर्गन रिजुवनेट हो गया है। Gently bring your palms together, rub them and bring them over your eyes, forehead, face, and slide it down to your entire body, absorbing all the healing energy into your being. Take a deep breath in, slowly exhale, and when you are ready, open your eyes and share your experiences. Anyone wants to share? Anybody wants to share their experiences, how they are feeling, whether they have felt any kind of energy or not? If not, then also. If yes, then also. If not, definitely there are certain blockages which immediately will not give the effect. Anybody? Great. Okay. Relax and peace. Okay. Can you tell me the scale? जिसने पहले कभी ऐसा पेन का स्केल बताया था? Yes. Relaxed. Yeah. That's great. Thank you, Namita. Thank you, Gargi ji. Okay, Namita, 2 messages for the emote. Okay, better, Sangeeta ji. Thank you. Yeah. Anybody else? If you want to mute yourself and discuss, then that can also be done. Relaxed and feeling connected with the divine. Thank you, Nidhi. Thank you. You can definitely connect because you are also yourself is a yoga teacher, so I can understand. So it's always the trust is required.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to share my experience with the healing which you have done just
Can you please
recently.
switch on your camera, please, if you don't mind?
Okay. Yeah, this is Lola, ma'am, from Kolkata.
Okay.
Basically, what I felt is that it was something we were matching with the frequency of the universe. And what you said very correctly that nothing matters unless and until your frequency matches with the universe. Even even a material body is also having the ECG, right? It is also going through the graph. And the way you have taken us to a particular layer, which cannot be explained, it was just superb, and it was just a way to not only refine but to define ourselves in a days to come. Thank you so much. Thank you very much for this session.
Thank you so much. Anyone else? Thank you, Namita ji. Thank you. Anybody else want to share anything? And please, if you can write a few feedbacks, like how was the session, whether you liked Sahajan Dhara, which program you liked more, Sahajan Dhara. It will
will there be any feedback form?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Will there be any feedback form?
No, you can, it's here only. As such, the feedback form is not there because it's not the session for any kind of training. And that's the reason there was no as such the feedback form. But here itself, if you can write, so I can take a screenshot of it for the another sessions. You can also understand it how the feedbacks matter to take it further. So these are the new programs developed by me, which definitely I would like to have those feedbacks so that I can have more such sessions and bring the awareness in the schools leaders to implement these sessions. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Rishita. Thank you. Thank you. So otherwise, if anybody wants to share anything, otherwise we close the session now.
Ma'am, please hold on. I'm just sharing my
Please,
feedback.
I'm not
Okay.
ending. I'm always means like I'll be the last one to end the meeting. So it will be very grateful if you please write 2-3 lines about the program, that is Sahaj and Dhara. That will be more grateful. That was just a small glimpse I have given you that how it will work in the sessions when we take it with the students.
May I ask one question, ma'am?
Pardon?
Yeah.
Yes, please, please.
Do you conduct any session for the teachers also, so that in your absence the teacher will be able to perceive the program?
Of course, ma'am. Of course, we can train the teachers. We can have a teachers means program for same way for the 7 days pilot program for the teachers. We can have.
Okay. And do you have any measuring scale pattern pre and post treatment?
So it is like it's ourselves only. Like for an example, if it is for the students, so I'll be giving the feedback from to the schools where the children need to write like what problem. Even the parent can fill in what problem they are facing in their child and measuring the scale. And then after the 7 days, they can definitely scale themselves. So it is completely measurable. Yeah.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Thank you very much. It was very impressive. It's
Thank you.
more of what is that? Pranic healing and mind power. Correct?
So it is not pranic healing, ma'am. It's a totally surrendering to the cosmic. This is different from the pranic. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, Sangeeta ji, for writing. Thank you. Anybody else? How Geeta ji, Vandana ji, like Nirmala ji, you can definitely share your feedbacks. Vinita ji,